Hey there, meet the Nuovoware Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful cordless cleaning brush with 3 adjustable speeds up to 550 RPM. It features a long-lasting 3000 mAh battery that provides up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. The scrubber's adjustable length extends from 13 to 54 inches, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach places without bending over. With 9 interchangeable brush heads, it tackles everything from bathroom tiles to kitchen stoves and even car tires. The IPX7 waterproof design ensures safe use around water, while the LED display shows battery life and speed settings clearly. Plus, a voice broadcast keeps you informed about its status during use. This smart tool makes scrubbing effortless and your home sparkling clean in minutes. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.